Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the extra large glass fermentation weights. You'll receive 4 weights in this set. Each weight is made from clear glass and varies a bit in weight. The lightest weight that I have is 4.9 ounces, and the heaviest 5.6 ounces. These weights are sized for wide mouth mason jars and measure 2 3/4 inches in diameter and half an inch thick. The shape is like a glass hockey puck, and they are quite solid with only a few tiny bubbles here and there. The surfaces are mostly smooth and free from scratches and pitting. When fermenting vegetables in brine, you want to make sure that the food stays submerged completely and does not break the surface of the liquid. Since fermenting foods tend to float, here's where the weights come in handy. The glass is non-porous, so it won't trap bacteria, air, moisture, or mold. These weights fit the jars perfectly and keep the food weighted down, and because they're slightly smaller than the opening of the jar, they're easy to remove when you want to eat your fermented goodies. In other words, they work perfectly. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and join me next time.